Alrighty, I actually had to do something different in this tutorial. I had to slow it down instead of speed it up. Change everything to pixels. We're getting our document set up. 1024 by 1024. I don't care if you don't. It's all up to you. I just like to work in pixels because our monitors and computers are still in pixels. Apparently Inkscape does that for the architects. I don't know, I guess they donate the most money. Yeah, we're going to convert all that to curves. And it's pretty much done. Set the fill to black and the stroke to clear. Now we're going to create a V across the bottom. I don't hate strokes, I just don't depend on them. Set the fill to black, set the stroke to nothing. Now we're already looking like the 1950s, aren't we? But we're going to have some color in here other than black and white and gray. Create an oval, an ellipse, convert it to a path by hitting Control-Shift-C. Position it. It does have a fill, and we want to turn the stroke off. Alright. Going to duplicate it. Just scale down the duplicate a little bit. Hold down the Shift key, and that way it'll be symmetrically scaled. That's too much. Just a little bit lighter. Duplicate it again. Well, hold on. Size it up with just a little bit. Now duplicate it again. Drag it all the way in. Turn it straight white and turn it into a gradient. Turn the bottom gradient to fully optic, full opacity, full alpha, and turn it down just a little bit. We just want a little bit of the background to shine through. Put that gradient over to the side. Now just take it down really small. Drag it up to the corner. Group everything. Select all of them. Select both of the ovals, the larger ones. Drag them out a little bit. Now hold down the Control key and select that very edge. Just get the back one. Duplicate it. Send it to the back and make it a little bit bigger. We're going to make it green. That's going to be our color. I always love the black and white pictures that have just one item that has some color in it. Maybe red shoes, or it's black and white with some sign of blue or green. I might make that a little bit thicker. My grouping didn't work before. Move it all the way down to the bottom so it's underneath everything. If you got something out of this, like and subscribe. All glory be to God, and I will see you in the next video.